Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today we are going to capture the simulation box snapshots using our VMD software. If you have a LAMMPS trajectory file and want to visualize your simulation box or capture snapshots in VMD for your paper or analysis, this video will show you the complete process step by step. Here I am going to open one LAMMPS trajectory file which we have already saved. I am going to load this. Now we have to wait a bit for all the frames to be loaded over here. So now all our frames are loaded. Now we have to go to this extension, then to the TK console, and here first thing we will do, we will try to wrap all these molecules or atoms whatever we have taken. We want to wrap them all inside a box. So before going to wrap this, what we have to do here is, if we are going to wrap all, first we have to save the unwrapped coordinates. So that thing you have to do during your LAMMPS simulation. Then once you have saved your unwrapped coordinates during the simulation, here you can simply use the TK console like this pbc command, some commands I will write here, that command, and you will wrap all your molecules or atoms within a particular box size whatever you have given in your input or in your data file. So here the simple command for the wrapping of all these molecules is started with this pbc wrap -all. Now hit enter. This command will try to wrap all our molecules in a step-by-step manner. As you can see, like in each step some percentage of molecules are going wrapping up. Now the wrapping thing is completed, but we are unable to see anything. Then what we can do here is, let's come to this display, and here you enter simple the equal sign. So now you see all the molecules whatever is present within that particular box is now appearing on our display, and here but the box is not yet appeared over here. For that we can simply write pbc box and then hit enter. Now you see the box boundary is also appeared here. If you want to zoom it to a bit, you can also do that. And as all these molecules whatever are present over here are showing with a line, you can also change the display, change the graphic representation from lines to VDW or to CPK, anything you can change depending on the requirement. So this is how you can represent, like this is how you can capture your simulation box, and you can take the snapshot for that, or you can simply go here and try to render and you can use your internal memory for a better visualization. Now then you can start rendering, and this is what we have simply saved or we have simply rendered. Fine, if you don't want to see all these molecules what are present out of the box, you can simply change this VDW size value, like this sphere size, something you can change. Yeah, here you can change. Resolution also you can change or you can alter. So this is how you can save your simulation box, and you can save it with this VMD rendering and all. So this is how you can see your entire simulation box, and you can take the snapshot of that. Yeah, this much for today's session, and thank you all.